So this is to answer a question that got commented on my last video, and the question is, am I quitting SMMA? The answer is no, I'm not. The reason why I'm starting this new day trading channel on top of still running my business is because it's basically automated. Now, if you haven't been following along, I've started my agency 2 years ago when I quit my job as a physio and basically grew it to 10K a month. And from that, I used Go High Level to really automate everything so that I don't have to do too much on the back end. And that's why I have all the time right now to start on this new skill, and that is learning how to day trade. Because ultimately, I don't want to spend the rest of my life running an agency. And as probably a lot of you know already, like all the big gurus, they don't run their own agency anymore. I'm kind of getting up to that. And so I was left with the choice whether I want to keep scaling my agency or whether I want to kind of go and learn something else. Now, I decided to learn something else just because the income that it's making for me, it's pretty sustainable for my life, right? I'm pretty happy with where it is. And that's why I want to learn the day trading skill. Because if I can just go to, let's say, Japan, Korea, Europe, and spend a couple hours a day trading and still travel that way, that I'm completely fine with. And honestly, it's a good skill. I can teach you guys, I can show you if this is actually a good thing or a bad thing. I'm spending my money so that I can experiment, so you guys can know, and we can be on this journey together. So to answer my friend, no, I'm not quitting SMMA. I take sales calls and meetings probably still around 1 to 2 hours every week / fortnight. And so I do all the other time editing, studying, day trading, and you gotta have to relax sometimes. Today is a beautiful Sunday. So Sunday is kind of my Sabbath where I don't really work or look at the charts or trade. I just relax, go to church, spend time with some friends, and just enjoy what God's given us. So I'll show you guys kind of what I did throughout the day. And honestly, I love to just know what you guys do on Sundays. Do you also go to church or do you not? What do you do to unwind, to kind of relax you down? Let me know in the comments.
Good morning, this is day 3 of my trading journey. And last night I just made a quick trade before I went to sleep, and I woke up and I ended up in a bit of a profit. It was around like $15-16 profit, so good start to the day. But it is Sunday here today, so I'm on my way to worship practice. I'm playing the drums, but instead of actually trading, Sunday will be the Sabbath where I just take a rest and chill out, enjoy life, spend time with some friends and family. And today I'll be taking you guys along the journey of what's life like in Brisbane on a Sunday in summer.
Oh yeah, get one good rally in. Oh yeah. Yeah, Jesse.